starting off with the power. That's Route 14, the award this morning.
Slightly cold, slightly cold.
You know what I did last night? No, it was a 55 last night. I took the 2 o'clock and dropped it down to 54.
It's only doing like 7.5.
There was 55 left on there. The Romo's still long.
Sorry.
That's alright, it's not a problem. That's what we're here for, sir. Fit a new tyre. The leading edge of these blocks tends to roll up and it ends up like a furry lump on it, and it just gives like a loose feeling. So what I tend to do is on this side I just trim off all the bits and bobs really, and from then on it works perfect. But generally it makes to a max.
A year. I'll tell you why, I had very great difficulty in getting it in Trollops here with
Yeah, the bike, I was riding on it almost as hard as I could.
Yes.
And the bike is just jumping about all over the place. I don't think we're going to do anything.
Right.
What we might try is a little bit less rebound.
On the rear.
Just to allow it to move a bit more.
Yeah.
But I lost the front going into the first corner about halfway down.
Unless it changed, I think you're a second faster than anybody else.
Alright.
So you've got plenty of reserve.
It's just halfway, a brake that tipped into the first right, and halfway around, it's quite a long corner, it goes really bumpy. And I was accelerating, the front wheels bouncing about, and then it just completely went. Horrible. it'd be better if I could just try and get away a bit. So that, my last lap was going to be a push. I was going to push out.
When you said faster, during the top end or
Top end, yeah.
top end, yeah, that's right.
Mind you, he is only a jockey road.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That bloke's ruined the pyramid.
I caught it in my shoulder, the tyres.
Yeah.
Just trying to go through the gap. It was either hit the guy in the blue, go for the gap, hit the tyres and him, and just barge through. But I didn't barge through because I remember Richard giving us a hard time about, you know, don't use the back markers. But I thought I could bag him before we got there. Yeah. But he just happened to do a good entry. I had to pat him on the back for that.
Yeah.
But I braked that hard, it locked the back wheel up going into the corner, and of course it killed the motor.
Yeah.
So when I went to change gear, it was on a dead engine, so I had to
Bump it.
bump it. And of course, the all cleared off there.
But the pyramid of tankers,
Oh, of course.
we do need a small one for the top.
Do we?
So we got it now.
I can get you an even smaller one if you want.
Oh yeah.
It worked the other way. Shame it came to that and not a race to the line. Yeah, so
You were so fast at first.
but too much.
It
It was too fast.
Can I ask you a question,
It did.
boys?
I was trying to. It was that gear, and I couldn't get the brake on. I was trying the back brake, and I was running there too fast.
Did win.
Yeah, I
Feel
only
that
won
was the worst bit for me.
the last
It was the worst bit, but
Yeah,
you gapped every
right.
time.
He's won today,
Oh,
hasn't he?
But I'd
then
more than
you
gap
get-
coming up. You know, the right
Good, isn't
Yeah.
he? Yeah.
To the Bonhams race, which is the Bonhams class for the 500s. And we got in third place a GB Access bike of Alex Sinclair. And in second place, we've got the man who's been doing most of the winning this year, but today he didn't. But he did get the fastest lap, and that's Mike Edwards.
Thank you, darling.
And the winner, I suppose we can call him the local rider, Duncan Fitchett. Well, thanks to Daisy and Archie for doing that and selling these raffle tickets this week.
When I was a fix.
13.
13.
Front or rear?
Where's Stuart Tom?
Front or rear?
Stuart's hurt his hand and he's been helping me out an awful lot, so there you go. Tie for you.
That's a really nice thing. Well done. Now then, Archie, don't look.
Remember that fiver I give you, Archie?
18. I think that's one of the Matravers. Yes. All Matravers. Right.
gave the feeling like it was almost on the barb. It wasn't, but it was probably taken out about 5 mil, something like that. Just a bit more in there.
Yep. Right. Carburation then, Steve's put a new inlet rubber on because the carb was sort of wobbling about a little bit, so the new one seems to hold it better. And the carburation initially coming out the last chicane had a real flat spot every lap, regardless of the gear, but now that seems to have gone. It almost wants to wheelie coming out of the corner. It's brilliant.
Isn't too much, but looking at the camera now, just after you pass the apex, I mean all this section is really bumpy, and as you pass the apex here, the bike's just jumping about. The whole bike's just
You can even see it's like on the open, can't you?
this bit of the track from
If any competitor has a front paddock stand, they can lend a fellow competitor for a short period of time. Can you make yourselves known to Simon Knowlson, please, around just in front of the race office?
Stop next to him. Like a bastard. You know, on the overhang, you can hear it.
Yeah,
something's rattling about. I had a look at it on the rundown lap, and when you're driving, so the chain's tight, the blocks like jumping about, moving around, so the blocks come loose. It'd be ideal if it was mounted, because I've had them before where they've jumped off, gone round with the sprocket.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
There's one real big...
No, drive there, bro. It's a 5-minute fetch, yeah. Got another one on. Yeah, that's new this year, as I say, yeah. Every race we've done this year. We always race it every year. It must. This paddock's never so dirty. You know, from the time you're just walking round with the bike.
On the track as well, you know, like a jar in it.
Yeah.
No, I pulled on the rundown, I pulled alongside him, and he shouted something at me, and I thought he said valve. Belt.
Thought it's maybe the gearbox is smooth, but it hasn't. Look, there's a new belt, and I know.
I've checked the gearbox.
I might have picked up a stone or something.
Yeah.
I say these paddocks ever so dirty.
Yeah.
I noticed just pushing the bike to scrutineer and you can hear the stones rattling about.
Deliberately.
Not one of them.
I thought that was better.
No,
just that
if
it
a stone, it won't
carry a stone in the bottom.
If you have a full one, if you get a stone tracked in, you can't get out. Whereas this,
You just drop out.
Yeah.
it just hit it and just bounce off. Isn't it?
That's the theory.
That's the theory.
It's even struggle. You put the feet on foot legs there.
Little things, isn't it?
It's attention to detail, isn't it?
Come on, then you
Any more Lansdowne traffic for racing?
podium's over there, look.
Keep stretching a bit.
Yeah.
Because that's when I got, I think, into tower.
Yeah, that
So I got a good run and a good slipstream.
I did steady up on the way in, and that paid dividends. Better smooth ride out. That was the place where I was using it.
Good ride. I mean, you hung in there and hung in there.
Yeah,
You're either going to catch us or bugger off one of the things. It's an awkward distance from us.
Yeah.
But, so race 1, third was Keith Clark, and third in race 2, Alex Sinclair. That's Alex. Did you pick them up already? So, yeah, that's Alex's. Alex, that's Keith's. Okay, let's go Keith.
It took it out of him, it did it, the race.
Aged it. Then, in the second place, in the first race, what's that one? It was Glenn English. In second race, Duncan Fidget. That's Duncan.
Well done, Glenn. Nice to have you back, mate.
You may have noticed that in actual fact Mike Russell came second in the first race, but he's not qualifying for any points because he was on a my bike broke, so Stuart lent him the bike and it wasn't eligible for Bonhams. And it was a WRR bike and he didn't want to interfere with their championship, so I got him a booby prize. So, race 1 and race 2, Mike Edwards. Well, thanks everyone for making it such a good meeting. The racing was really good.